Super Rainbow coming at you today with another meal for under $10. This meal is for under $10. This Tony's Dirty Rice was $2 and some change. The cornbread, the honey butter cornbread it says $2. It was less than $2. It was a dollar and some change. And the ground beef patties, I used turkey burgers, which was $3 that I got from Trader Joe's, and the green onion was a dollar. So here's the honey butter cornbread. I just added water. That's it. Sprayed the pan with some cooking spray. And this is the meal. I did it according to the directions on the box there, as you can see. And it says to sprinkle green onions on top. And that's what I did. Ladies, I want to tell you, don't be afraid to use them hamburger patties. If you have like hamburger patties that you know that's been sitting that you're not going to use for a while, like with the turkey burgers, all I did was put them in a skillet. Not till they got all the way done, till they got soft. Then I chopped them up in just like regular hamburger meat. You in a rush, you tired, you don't feel good, or whatever the case may be. You don't have time to unthaw meat and all that. Crunch them hamburger patties up and make it do what it do. So this is what I came in to share with you today. My dirty rice dinner mix and honey butter cornbread meal for under $10. Thank you. Have a good day and be blessed. Bye.